Hello, and welcome to Lesson 1 of Miss Garner's Recorder Karate Unit. I would like to go over the learning targets with you for this lesson and then quickly show you about recorder posture before we get in depth on how to play. So Lesson 1 learning targets are, number 1, I can hold my recorder in the correct position. Number 2, I can sit properly in my chair using recorder posture. Number 3, I can produce a gentle sound on the recorder that does not squeak or sound breathy. And number 4, I can play a B on the recorder. So Ms. Garner would like to show you exactly what recorder posture looks like. So if you look at the two different pictures, you will see that the girl on your left is sitting in rest position. This is where you sit when you are not playing your recorder, but you want it ready to go. So you may notice that the recorder is actually sitting on the young lady's lap. Notice how she is not sitting back against the chair. She's scooted up to the edge of it. That is so her back can remain straight. She also is sitting with her feet flat on the floor. I know that part of the picture is cut off, but trust me, she's sitting with her feet flat on the floor. She also has, in addition to her back straight, she also has her head up instead of tilted down. Now, when it's time to play the recorder, she is going to take the recorder and she's going to put it at kind of a downward angle from her mouth. Notice it's not coming straight out like a trumpet. Notice how it's not going straight down like a clarinet. She still has that really straight posture, which is good for breathing. Her legs are still flat on the floor, and she's still relaxed with her head up. She doesn't tuck her chin down, and she doesn't lift her head up toward the ceiling. These are perfect ways to sit using recorder posture. So I'm going to let you get started with the rest of your lesson. Enjoy!